So the benefits of going to an ambulatory surgery center that specializes in plastic surgery is that it specializes in plastic surgery, that all the technicians, the anesthesiologists, the nurses are all well-versed and experts on taking care of you and optimizing your care with respect to your cosmetic surgery. These include everything from the brow lift and elevation all the way down to leg procedures where we do leg liposuction and everything in between. And the incredible part is that we have anesthesiologist who is incredibly well versed in giving anesthesia so that you recover quickly and that you don't feel nauseous after your procedure. Here at Las Ventanas Surgery Center, we know how important privacy is for our patients. And we are the best at making sure that you have the maximum amount of privacy, that we have a nice secluded location, our staff treats you in a very discreet manner, and all of our patients are satisfied with the level of privacy that we give our patients.